Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. Just go down a bit. I have another In the Post series. This is In the Post number 51. Oh, excuse me. I'll just get comfortable. I have here a trading card from Change Checker. It's one of the Golden Edge ones. This one will go towards my third set of this particular set of ones. To complete the third set I have just Pride missing. However, I do have so many cards of these type. To give you a general idea, let's just take that up a bit. I've got 1, 2 packs, look at the thickness on those. I have a third pack there of blue and a fourth pack there of blue cards, the blue trading cards. I have 1 complete set in my album. I then have 1 set here, another set here, so that's 2 complete sets. I have some odds and sods cards there, and with this Isaac Newton one it will go into this pack here. And in doing so, I will have 9 of the 10 cards, so I'll be just missing the Pride card. So, and then I'll have 3 complete sets of these cards. So, the reason for me showing you that box is if you're missing any of the blue cards, or even some of the Gold Edge cards, I've got plenty of them there. If you can get me the ones that you're missing, or a list of the ones you're missing, I'll check my cards to see if there's any that I can help you with. Okay, so if you do want to contact me about that, can you contact me on my email, which will be down in the comments area, in the description area of this video. Right, what else did I get this week, or this time? The first one I got the Squiggles, as somebody called them. They're the reptile one, which looks at the snakes, the lizards of the British wildlife. The 610p coins from Guernsey. I will be going through the whole lot or reviewing the whole lot for you fairly shortly. However, I have been told when I checked, because my set hadn't arrived, that there is a minimum of 1 more to go, then that original series is finished. They don't know yet whether there'll be a second series of these wildlife coin sets. That is the latest news we have on those. Here we go, and this is from Jackie, or 10 Bob. It says, "Dear Steve, hope you find these notes of interest. Thank you for the swap with the Change Checker cards. Keep up your good work on your channel. Happy hunting. Best wishes, Jackie," or aka 10 Bob. That's a lovely card, and it shows the hovercraft from the Solent. I would imagine that's the Solent, as she lives in that area. And what I thought I had more than 4 cards, but I eventually ended up there I only had 4 cards. And Jackie had a whole load of banknotes that she was happy to let me have, and these are them. So this will be 1 or 2 videos worth of banknotes for my series on banknotes. And to Jackie, thank you so much for this. It arrived before I sent my cards off to her, that I said that I'd let her have. So I'm extremely grateful to Jackie. She's a lovely lady. So if you want to, please go and have a look at her channel. It's great fun. And give her my best wishes. And if you enjoy it, please would you subscribe to her channel. Next, I have here a pack of 3 Change Checker The Lion, the Witch and the Wardrobe coin. I have 3 of them. One will go in my blue card album. One will be the one that's worst state will be cut out of there and put into a flip for my date run. Not sure what I'll be doing with the third one just at this moment in time. It's just a habit of mine getting the 3. And this is the coloured bunk version. I'm not 100% sure about this one, but I'll give you my personal feelings are about it in the review, when I do the review of the Lion the Witch and the Wardrobe coin. So that's the coloured bunk pack. I bought 2 coins from San Marino. Bought 1 coin from... This was 1 coin from San Marino that was outstanding. This one's the Discovery of America. It'd been 200 lira coin from San Marino from 1992. It is very low mintage, these coins were, so I'll be putting that with the other San Marino coins I bought off eBay, and we'll be doing a video on that fairly shortly, I'd have thought. Then I saw a copy of this. I think it was a slightly more silver version of this one. It's a 500 peseta coin, which is unusual. I've very rarely seen these coins at all. It has a lenticular feature in it, and it's of Juan Carlos I and his wife. Is it Sophia? Yes, Sophia. I presume this is an anniversary coin, but until I do some research on it, I'd rather not go into too much detail. And lastly, I went and bought myself some more of the 50p New Era coin. So if I just bring that in a little bit, as you can see, we have the Queen, late Queen Elizabeth II and Charles III, the new monarch, and they're facing each other on the coin. This coin, according to the Gibraltar website I bought it from, is called the New Era coin. I do have one of these already, and I have shown it off, but I bought, I think there's 3 others or maybe 4 others. I'll be probably looking at maybe using one of them as part of a giveaway in a short while, because there don't seem to be many of them about, and I've only ever seen one other YouTube coin tuber actually show this off. So it's I don't think there's many around. I know 1 or 2 people who saw the original one that I gave, that I showed when I bought the original one, and a couple of them said, oh, we weren't sure about this, and now that we've seen it, we might go off and get it. I don't know whether they did or not. So we have the New Era 50p from Gibraltar, which shows both the Queen, the late Queen, and also Charles III. We have a commemorative coin from Spain, showing both Juan Carlos I and his wife Sophia. We have a 200 lira commemorative from San Marino. I believe it's called the Discovery of America, from 1992. It does have, from what I understand, although I've not fully checked on it, it has a very low mintage. We then have the coin from the Lion the Witch and the Wardrobe, the colour one. We have 3 of the blue card ones. We have a set of wildlife, and it may be the penultimate set as it currently stands, which may well change. 610p from Guernsey. We have a lovely postcard from Jackie, along with some great notes that she sent me. So all in all, this has been quite a substantial in the post. If you enjoyed it, I am trying very hard to increase my subscriptions. I think I'm on about 234 or 235, something like that. at the time of recording this, I set myself a target of 250 from the beginning of this year in 2023, having made the 100 mark by Christmas last year, which was my target last year. I'm just about 10 or 12, maybe 15 maximum off hitting that target. So if you are willing, if you've enjoyed this video and you're happy to subscribe to my channel, I'll be delighted to have you along for the rest of my journey in coins, banknotes, militaria and collectibles. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, wherever you're buying them from, I hope you can get them for the price that you want to pay. And finally, thank you for watching to the end, and until we meet up again, from me, thank you and bye bye. Ta-da now.